What's up, everybody? Sage the Collector here, and doing something new for me. Doing a couple blasters of 2018-19 Court Kings. So I'm not a huge fan of the look of these cards. They're kind of growing on me, so I've kind of avoided them last year. But, let's do something new. Let's get into it. Alright, we got our packs from Blaster 1 and Blaster number 2. So, with the rookies, you get 3 levels, 1, 2, and 3. There's a level 4, but that's only in hobby packs. But every blaster box, on average, has 2 of the acetate rookie cards. So, definitely looking for the Luka and Trae acetate rookies. So, as you can see, the base of this set is, I don't know, I said it was growing on me. I may have lied. It's just so weird looking. I mean, it's just, okay, so let's just move on. Kevin Love, and then, alright, so this is one, it's got a different finish. It's got that canvas finish. So this might be the Jade parallel, because it's got the green. So, there's that. You got a Bradley Beal and a Kyrie. And this is, I think this set is pretty base heavy. I don't even think you get too many inserts in these. You might get like a couple inserts per box, maybe 3. I don't know. We'll see. Ooh, come on. Alright, got Rubio, Dwayne Wade. Ooh, and our first acetate is Lonnie Walker. So, definitely not the greatest rookie to get, but it's a pretty unique card. I think Court Kings might be the only one that still does acetate. I'm probably wrong, but it's the only one I know of, at least. And the final 2 cards, AD and Trevor. Alright, Joel Embiid, Boogie. And our first insert is Renaissance Men, Vince Carter. So that's cool. And we got Sweet Lou and Boyan. Alright, we got Harrison Barnes, Fournier, and we have a Jade of Devin Booker, John Wall, and Tatum. Giannis, nice. Torian, and our other acetate, if we only get 2, Aaron Holiday. Not terrible, not terrible. It's not Luka or Trae, but what are you gonna do? Oh boy, this is... Okay, that penny sleeve was super tight. Alright. And our 2 cards are Jabari and Rudy. Alright, TJ and Gallinari, and our insert, pretty cool, Alonzo, points in the paint. There you go. And we got a Big Cat and a D'Angelo. Alright, final pack of Blaster number 1. What the heck? What kind of Santa Claus beard is that? I mean, that looks like somebody, like he was hiding in a cave for a decade and just came out. Wow. His beard's usually pretty ridiculous. Conley looks like he just came out of a cave too. Maybe I hadn't been paying attention and everybody looks like a zombie in these pictures, but holy cow. All right, we got a Jaren Jackson rookie, and that is level 1. Oh no, level 3. There you go. Oh, there's a good card. I can dig that. Level 3, the best you can get. Sweet. And our final 2 cards are Kuzma and Paul George. So, that Jaren Jackson might have saved that box. A little bit. That was a decent box, I shouldn't complain. Gary Harris, stuff, nice. And our Jade is Garrett Temple. Never heard of him. Got a BI and Drew Holiday. All right, Blake Griffin. They always choose the weirdest photos for Blake. This one's not terrible, but poor Blake. Nurkic and our acetate. Mikal Bridges. All right, that's not terrible. Could be worse. Could be better, but could be worse. And our final 2 cards, John Collins and Josh Richardson. All right, Clarkson and Gasol, and an insert of Tatum, Renaissance Men. Cool. And De'Aaron Fox and McCollum. Joker, Butler, and a Jade of Aaron Gordon. And Vucevic, Draymond. By the way, let's just pause and admire this man right there. Pippen rookie. Oh, that episode of The Last Dance with Pippen. Love it. Can't wait for Sunday. I got that right before his rookie card started going crazy. So glad. I mean, literally like 2 days before they just went absolutely crazy. All right. Oladipo and an acetate of Triple J. Not bad. Can't complain. Dig it. All right, cool. And we got Derrick Rose and Rudy Gay. 2 more packs. Oh man, this Sunday's episode of The Last Dance with Rodman's going to be crazy. Steven Adams, Jeremy Lamb, and an insert of Points in the Paint, Patrick Ewing, Willie Cauley, and Rodney Hood. Final pack of the break. Still no Luka, still no Trae. Chris Dunn, DeMar, and MPJ. Can't complain. Still waiting for this guy to kind of take off. That is level 2. So hopefully next season, if it ever happens, he'll finally start taking off. And to finish, Russell and Middleton. So, second blaster was, I don't know which blaster was better. Got an MPJ, or level 2, yeah. Points in the Paint. Got her Triple J, acetate rookie, Aaron Gordon Jade. Tatum Renaissance, Mikal Bridges, acetate. Garrett Temple Jade, whoever that is. Got our Triple J, level 3. Got our Points in the Paint, Zoe. Aaron Holiday, acetate, Giannis, Devin Booker Jade. Vince Carter, got our Lonnie Walker, and our Wiggins. So, I think we definitely got to put the acetate Triple J up there. And we'll put the Mikal up there. Jaren Jackson, level 3, definitely going up there. And our 4th card, I don't know. We'll put him up there. We'll hope. for the future. So, that was kind of fun. I didn't dislike these cards as much as I thought it would. The rookies are actually kind of cool. The base cards, not so much. But, it is growing on me. I'm flip-flopping again. I paid about 41 bucks for the 2 blasters, and the cards ended up being worth about 26. Which, considering we didn't pull a Luka or a Trae, or a numbered card, is actually not terrible. Still not sold on these base cards. They're just kind of ugly. But the rookie card designs are all pretty unique and kind of cool. Well, that'll do it for this video. As always, please give it a like and drop a comment below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, everybody. Tune in next time for another basketball break.